Well, listen, I'm really good luck and lovely to meet you.
Thank you so much.
Is that a sword?
Yes. Yeah, there's a whole theme.
Yeah, she's a
pirate.
Yes.
Fantastic. Thank you so much. Howie.
Do you know what medieval times? Have you ever been to medieval times?
I have.
If they took that concept and made a one-woman show, this is what I think it would be.
Okay.
What?
I didn't see an amazing trick. I didn't see one amazing trick.
He's allowed his opinion. It's okay.
You know, he did some flips and kind of jumped off a butt and did another weird flip. I would like to see more. He's so cute.
Okay. Mel.
I think I'm going to have to kind of agree with Howie.
What?
I think if you do get through to the next round, focus on really switching up what you do. Because there were a few tricks in there that I was like, oh, wow, that's great. I just wish you would have put them in a lot sooner.
They had a sword fight. I've never seen a dog have a sword fight with its owner before. And I felt Hero was almost singing along with the music. So I don't think they quite understood what you just did.
All right.
But maybe now I've explained it. Let me kick this off with Howie.
I don't understand.
I do.
I don't.
Okay.
I don't.
That's okay.
So I'm going to say no.
Yes or no, Mel?
I'm sorry, I'm going to have to say no.
What?
Just try it. Get it.
Whoa. We don't want to make anybody feel terrible. Listen,
No.
what you do is
I'm
far
gonna say something.
beyond anything.
Look, I've never done this before, never, but I'm asking you, on behalf of Sarah and Hero, Mel.
Well, asking me as him.
Both of you, trust me on this, I saw something you didn't see.
Okay, I'll tell you what. I know people like dogs, so I'm gonna, I feel so bad. This is emotional. I'll change it to a yes.
Heidi.
See, I would have wanted to see you again in any case. You have a yes from me.
So 2 yeses. Okay, Sarah, you have a yes from Howie, a yes from Heidi, a no from Mel. Boo. But Sarah, Hero, you have a yes from me. Well done.
I thought he was amazing.
No, you did great.